Hello, welcome back to elitecyclingfitness.com. Thanks very much for joining us. We have a really good offer just to share with you today from all of our contacts and understanding of what works in bike racing. And this is an exclusive cycling shoe offer. You can see the link there straight away, dld.bz/shoes offer. And it's this Fizik product that has a number of really good features. It's made from Kangaroo Leather with a Microtex upper, got a 3D flex system, a carbon outsole, sailcloth closure straps, really cool those, and an aluminium buckle, and a really good Fizik ergonomic design. The insole weight for a size 43 is just 258 grams, and it's compatible with any 3-bolt cleat system that you want to use. Also comes in red, and look at the price. You've got a 50% reduction through our Partners Wiggle if you go through this link, from nearly £215 down to 107.50. And follow the link there, dld.bz/shoes offer. Remember, through Elite Cycling Fitness, you can get access to all sorts of other deals and a £200 level of free ebooks if you subscribe. But right now, the deal we wanted to give you exclusive insight on is this cycling shoe deal. If you go through that link, dld.bz/shoes offer. Thanks very much for joining us on elitecyclingfitness.com. And we do hope to see you soon.